Hey everyone! Buying your very first car is an absolute milestone. It means freedom, road trips, and independence. But honestly, it can also be a massive financial trap if you don't know what you're doing. Today, I'm breaking down the ultimate step-by-step blueprint on how to buy your first car without getting ripped off. 5 crucial stages, 5 golden rules for each. Let's get into it. The budget and finances. Before you even look at a single car, you need to look at your bank account. Here are 5 financial golden rules. 1. Use the 24-10 rule. 20% down payment, 4-year loan term, and total costs under 10% of your monthly income. 2. Factor in the hidden costs: insurance, gas, maintenance, and registration fees. 3. Get pre-approved for a loan from a bank or credit union before setting foot in a dealership. 4. Keep an emergency repair fund ready. Cars break down, especially your first one. 5. Check insurance quotes for specific models early. Sports cars or certain brands will skyrocket your premiums. Don't just buy what looks cool. Be smart about your choice. Prioritize reliability over aesthetics. Look at Toyota, Honda, or Mazda for your first vehicle. Check the total cost of ownership online, not just the initial sticker price. Avoid rare or discontinued models because finding parts will be a nightmare. Aim for cars that are 3 to 5 years old. They've already taken the biggest depreciation hit. And make a hard list of needs versus wants, like AWD for snow versus a panoramic sunroof.
Check out the inspection, history, and physical. Never buy a car blind. Treat it like a detective investigation. 1. Always run a vehicle history report using Carfax or AutoCheck to look for accidents and title issues. 2. Inspect the car in broad daylight and when it's dry. Rain hides scratches, dents, and bad paint jobs. 3. Check the tires. Uneven tread wear means alignment or suspension issues. 4. Look under the hood and underneath the car for fluid leaks, rust, or signs of fresh welding. 5. Smell the interior. A musty, moldy odor often indicates hidden flood damage. Do not fall in love with the car during a 10-minute spin around the block. Test drive it in multiple environments: city traffic, bumpy roads, and highway speeds. Turn off the radio and AC entirely to listen for weird rattles, squeaks, or engine ticks. Test every single button, window, wiper, and the AC heater unit to ensure they work. Pay attention to how it brakes and steers. The car shouldn't pull to one side when you let go of the wheel. Schedule a pre-purchase inspection, or PPI, with an independent mechanic. If the seller refuses, walk away. This is where you save or lose thousands of dollars. Stay strong. Focus on the total out-the-door price, not the monthly payment options the dealer pushes. Be completely prepared to walk away. The power is always in your hands until you sign. Say no to dealership add-ons like VIN etching, fabric protection, or overpriced extended warranties. Double-check all the math on the final contract before signing. Look out for hidden fees. Ensure you leave with a clear, legal title and all necessary transfer documentation. Buying your first car is a journey, but if you follow these steps, you'll drive away with a smile and a great deal. Which of these tips was the biggest eye-opener for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more smart car advice. Safe driving out there!